got the grimace cake. Grimace cake. I just got the grimace cake. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Do you want the grimace cake? Yes, you want the grimace. And naman mga hashtag ha?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Take a video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Help us blow the cake. I'll take a video.
Alright, once again, happy first birthday, Albert. Pero bago po natin i-blow ang kanyang birthday candle, ayan namin dahil dito you have any message or wish para kay Albert. I think let's start with Nan.
Ay, sorry.
Albert,
Sorry naman kasi nabito.
tawag dito. Happy birthday! Happy first birthday, baby! Sana lumaki kang, pogi pa rin.
Asa ka
Tapos, mabait, makinig kina mama at papa at kay ate.
Bro, no.
We love you!
Ayan, thank you so much, Mami. How about si Daddy? Daddy, do you have any
Mama, you
message?
mean the destroyer, baby?
Happy birthday, baby Albert. And yun, sana lumaki kang mabait lagi. And sumunod kay ate and mama and papa. Love you.
Thank you so much,
Love
Daddy.
ate.
How about si Ate? Ate, do you have any message for your baby Albert?
I love you, Albert.
Yeah! And Albert, it's your turn to blow your birthday candle, everyone! In 3,
Alin, help out.
2, 1, blow!
Alin.
No.
Yay! Kaya again,
Sanda pa ako,
taking photo together with you, we still have 10 minutes more. Kaya sa lahat po ng gusto magkaroon ng solo picture, please proceed with the round.
Halika na.